What is up, everybody? This is Weeley again, Average Gamer, playing another demo. It's called the Motorcycle Club. I have never ever really seen motorcycle games, nor really heard of them. I just want to see how this goes, since I haven't had a racing game, which is a demo for it. Club, Magic Club, or Cardigan Club. I don't know what this is really about, but I'm gonna check it out. Let's see. I'll play a couple of these courses so I can get the idea. It's a small demo, so I get to play 2 courses. So this will probably be short. Ooh, a highway. Sounds nice. So let's see how it actually looks. But like, I can't wait for Gran Turismo. I haven't owned a Gran Turismo game in years. But getting a new Gran Turismo for the PlayStation 4 is going to be awesome. Alright. Custom survival. Oh, it's going to be one of these. Alright. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow, terrain really affected me. Oh god, wet terrain. So insane. There's a huge effect. Oh wow. It's probably. It hits the choppers. Choppers can handle that problem. Choppers can handle that. I guess. I don't know much logic of the bikes here. Out of my way! I could have been dead. I should have been dead. But hey, it doesn't matter. Motorcycle club. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. Well. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Okay, well. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Okay. Well, oh. Dude, it's like burnout? Second lap. Okay. Area, which means here comes the choppers. Easily go past that. Oh, it's blue. There we go. See, I should have done that in the first place. Ooh. Oh god. Okay, well. Oh, well then. Yeah, there you go. Oh. What the hell was that? Well, okay then. Too much there. Hell no. Bastard. Well, probably should have gone chopper then. Thank you. This train's freaking killing me. Well, okay. Well, okay. Slippery ball. Here we go. Slippery ball. Slippery ball. Comeback is real. Fuck the Skull Awakening. That's definitely a wonky game. Wow. You can definitely get punished really easily if you're not careful. Definitely a game you have to be careful with. The roadster. I guess we're gonna do one more. Just give it a shot. We could do one more. Like I said, some of these are gonna be pretty quick. Just want to get through it. Also, pretty soon, if you haven't seen the last previous videos, I'm going to get Mortal Kombat X on May 1st or sometime in the weekend. Because again, I need to save up for money for that. I'm also going to do a Never Alone. I just downloaded Never Alone, and it's supposed to be a really good story game. And I love those types of games, so expect gameplay for a Never Alone. Really happy with that. So, one more, here we go. Okay, it's a little weird. Why is it so glitchy? Okay, well, this is not okay. Oh Jesus. Okay. Even the bots can't handle this. Another bad terrain. Wow, this is really long. That's annoying. Another terrain. Fuck. Well. This is the advantage for the sports bike because they're supposed to handle this better. Okay, well. Oh yeah, speed right here. Speed. Oh my god, that was fast. Alright, very good. I'm going really fast. Wow. This is when I slow down. There we go. Fuel boost. Too much. Ow. Why am I not being super punished here? On my way. anywhere. Except for that. Wow. So much pain. It's the most annoying part. Air gives you a lot of trouble. Screw you. Alright. No. What happened? What happened? Okay. So anyway, that's Motorcycle Club. Not as exciting. Not really as exciting as I thought, but reminds me of playing this one other motorcycle game. I don't remember what it was called. It's not Connecticut. It's not that. It's something else that's kind of like this. I don't know. It seems so familiar. I don't even know. Anyway, that's Motorcycle Club. This just makes me want to look forward to get the new Gran Turismo, which is supposed to be coming up. So. Sure got first place, man. But anyway, this is Weeley again. Thank you so much for watching the Motorcycle Club demo. It's okay, you know. Hopefully it's cheap if you buy it, you know, because I don't know, it's a much bigger game than I thought. I don't know, but it's only a small demo. I get to try out or something, but it just feels really weird. I don't like the terrain crap. It just bothers me so much. But anyway, Weeley signing off, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time. Peace out, guys.